Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we are ready to begin with the next phase of this bull market. 1 week of consolidation has definitely let the market cool off before we see another explosive move. Bitcoin just broke over 92k and most of the altcoins are reacting in a very positive way, including Dogecoin, which is starting to close in close to 39 cents, and after that probably 40 cents, which can actually push us to new highs and maybe all-time high as well. If you pay attention to the trading volume, it is definitely increasing very quickly in the last 24 hours. At the same time, if we do break out of this big resistance we're stuck in, which is close to 45 cents, maybe the next stop will be close to 82 cents. Wallet activity, why fewer Cardano or Doge holders could be bullish. Economic professor doubts the impact of Dogecoin inspired Elon Musk-led government and what kind of impact this could have on the whole government. And presidential candidate of Poland just said we need a reserve for Bitcoin. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It just up to you to algorithm push the video to more people so the user engagement goes up, more people are playing attention to what is happening in the crypto, and then more money is flowing into the crypto market. The market keeps climbing and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first thing first, I want to talk to you guys about the price action. Today morning I mentioned how we are sitting in a very important phase for Dogecoin, because one time we did actually go down and retest under 35 cents, which has been acting as a really strong support from the last 7 days, or you can say since the market has shown a really good return, which is about the 10th of November, which is actually my birthday. Now you can see that ever since this breaking off, we were able to recover in a couple of hours, but there was definitely a little bit of fear that was building up. One thing I did mention is the 3 days have been a little bit sketchy, as we were not able to get over the resistance close to 38 cents. But in the last 6 hours, you can see that we have definitely broken over this resistance and now actually using it as a support, because every single time it actually falls below, it was able to recover in that single hour. Therefore, a lot of people have their limit orders close to 38 cents, ensuring that the market stays in a positive trend. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, breaking above this is definitely giving us a little bit more potential to go explosive, but at the same time, on the other end, we need to make sure that we are able to keep this momentum building, as we do need to climb over the 40-cent barrier. Once we're able to do that, 45 cents is going to be our next stop. And 45 cents broken could actually put us into an explosive move, which will put us to its all-time high, which is actually close to 82 cents. I know the all-time high is close to 72 cents, but 82 cents is going to be the time when Doge will see a little bit of resistance before another move forward. Just keep in mind the way everyone is expecting Bitcoin to be able to climb to 100k, same thing will happen with Dogecoin as long as it breaks above that 55 cents. After that, there was a lot of optimism that will actually return into the market, and therefore a lot of money will be flowing in. Just to give you perspective, right now XRP might have reclaimed the spot 6 when it comes to the market cap, but if you look at the trading volume, Doge is actually a lot ahead compared to XRP. And if you just look at the growth, you can see it's up 30% today, as I mean, yesterday was sitting close to 6 billion. And Dogecoin's info, bankruptcy urges Dogecoin users to secure the private keys before the 31st of December to avoid losing the funds. I mean, it's really important to ensure that your funds are always safe, and Dogecoin is going to be the best way to do so. Another thing is the rising activity. The wallet activity, why fewer Cardano and Doge holders is good, because if you see, witness a decline of 29,976 wallet in the last 13 days. Dogecoin saw a decline of 24,000 wallets in the past day. Link skyrocketed, but why is this a big deal? Because you need to understand, if you just look at this, Bitcoin wallets in the last 4 days have seen close to 15,000. Doge has seen close to 24,000, but this is just getting ready because this means overall Bitcoin non-empty wallets show signs of a profit taking from the retail investor. So right now there is less chance of profit taking, therefore people will be holding for the long term, and that's the best way for the market to keep climbing. Now, an economics professor is starting to doubt the fact of what kind of impact Doge, which is the Department of Federal, you guys know, Department of Government Efficiency, what kind of impact will it have on the overall government? And honestly, is it going to be able to be good for the country, or is it going to be affected in a bad way? Now, personally, I'm not from America, so I'm not going to comment on that. But just to give you a little bit of perspective, when they actually get into the office, what kind of impact and how many people will be paying attention to all this? Presidential candidate, a strategic Bitcoin reserve in Poland could make a huge difference, because just to give you perspective, this candidate has purchased a lot of Bitcoin for themselves, and Bitcoin to the moon, we need to make sure that we have reserve of Bitcoin for our country to ensure that we're able to make profit. And that's a big statement. And the open interest for Dogecoin is up another 8%, even though we're already sitting close to 2.6 billion. And the long to short ratio, again, showing no signs of slowing down. 74% is still in the favor of the long traders. That means even though the market has climbed to 39 cents, there is a lot of long traders who are deciding to hold for the long term. And the fact that I'm saying that leverage traders are thinking of holding long term is crazy. Bitcoin is mirroring the behavior of the last two bull cycle. After surging its previous all-time high, Bitcoin had a consolidation for a week, and that's exactly what's happened in the past 1 week. If history repeats, we could see another breakout where we will be seeing 150,000 Bitcoin in a really short time, and after that we might see another 30% correction. Doge is about to send past its all-time high, and the chart is primed to do so. And if it does decide to do that, we will be doing a 2x from where we're sitting right now. Here's how high Dogecoin can rise if Bitcoin hits 250k. Just to give you perspective, if let's just say if Bitcoin decides to make it to 250k, the amount of potential that Doge will have is close to $1 to $3, and from where we are again, gives you about a 3x return in a really short time. Whales jump on Dogecoin, bull run incoming. I mean, the amount of user engagement that we're seeing for Dogecoin and how many whales are paying attention, honestly, it's going to be very big run up when we see it next time. And South Korea's crypto tax decision postponed since all of this is going on in their parliament. And OCC prepares for the spot Bitcoin ETF options that will be going live very soon. And this is going to be bringing a lot more liquidity into the crypto market, and therefore will be allowing it to make even more profit. And honestly, the market will climb even harder. And SEC's internal communications reveal a selective approach to cryptocurrency regulations. As more people come in which are going to be pro crypto, is definitely going to be in favor of crypto. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be patient, we got a long way to go. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.